Sorry guys, there must have been some kind of glitch. I mean, I didn't do anything and then it just ended. I must have pressed the stop button. I'm so sorry everyone. I'm feeling a little bit better. I mean, it's like everything has changed these days. I mean, good resources. 4 runes, that's good. I mean, that's really good. And I'm just gonna, no. Yeah, whatever. And then, yeah, I'm wasting my runes. Paul, you're wasting your runes. Paul, you're such an evil kid. You're wasting them. Oh, frick. We wasted those. Totally. Okay. I'm just gonna speed this out, guys. I want to get meat. Okay. The first episode, it kind of glitched out. I mean, it's that was just the intro. But now, everyone, we're gonna get meat lug this episode. Sea Squadron, Exotics, and their defenders. So we have Chief Concerns, we have Meat Lug here. They said Toothless to Terrible Terror Island again. And see, an eggplant. And we gotta rebuild Fishleg's hut. So we just want to collect everything here. Oh wow, yeah, that was right. Okay, so we have all these. I'm so sorry, everyone. That was just the intro, getting everything ready. Now we're ready to get everything else. Okay, everyone. The exotic sword stiller. I am so happy that this thing came out. I mean, I'm so sorry, everyone, for the last episode. It ended early. I just ended my Monster's Nightmare all the way. It was a glitch. I mean, I didn't even know. I pressed that button. But now I'm gonna be careful not to press that. See? Careful not to press it. Okay. Where's the one place that I won't touch? Okay, yeah. Sorry, everyone. I'm gonna move this up here because I don't touch up there. I don't think it's safe. I'm gonna move this. Yeah, up to Toothless. I mean, I won't touch it anywhere else then. I mean, who am I kidding? Just remove these trees much easier. Oh yeah, thanks, Spylout. Sometimes Spylout will give you fish, but it's a lot less than what he first offers you to spend. I mean, it's okay that he's a good dealer and all, but I don't think that's right. Okay, Johann Chip. I can do the 5 one. Okay, I'll do the 5. Just to get one more, which will probably be, and I can actually afford to get those things. Okay, so I'm just gonna build my first hut. The big boy Viking hut. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, 3 minutes and 22 seconds on counting. Meat lug. I'm planning to get these 3. No, wait. I'm gonna get this one, right? First episode. And then the second one, I'm gonna get Stormfly. And then the third one is Hookfang. I'm gonna do all 3 of these today. This one, I will not do. I will not do this. It's really expensive. And this one, 3,500 on break. Big Bad Moon, Thunder Drums, really cool. And then these guys, Whispering Deaths. And just get my stuff. Let's get on. Okay. Okay, alright. Toothless is back. And he's got something. 3 rooms. Nice. I am really sick. But not to worry, anyone. I mean, it's not contagious. I'm not gonna cough. I'm not gonna cough over the internet. I might, if I'm mean enough. But I'm not that kind of person. Yeah, guys. Yeah, everyone's telling me, Paul, you're spending so much on your fucking runes. I tell everyone, I don't give a shit. Because what's coming up is amazing. And you guys will say, Paul, you did a great job spending those runes. I mean, there is nothing more awesome than what's coming up. 8 runes. Speed that up. Speed that up. And don't say I'm wasting my runes, Paul. You do not tell me I'm wasting my runes. Understand? You'll see why it's so amazing. Just spit it up. Yep, those are we're waiting for. And this academy is what we have to do as well. I'm just gonna get my stuff. Hopefully the resource, yeah. Wood is good. Wood is really good. And just get everything I need. Resources to build up Berk. This is the academy. Yep, academy. Okay, and Paul, don't no one tell me I'm wasting my runes. Nobody do that, okay? It's been 5 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm just gonna let everyone know that we have to search for that terrible terror because of this. We are halfway there. We have to rebuild Fish Legs Hut, which is really bad. I don't want to rebuild. Wait, is there a choice here? Wait, is there a choice? I'm just gonna move all these over. Fish legs and meat blood. Okay, I just want that sword stealer. The exotic sword stealer. It will be the most beautiful sight I've ever seen. Okay, we need to upgrade the academy, Johann ship, terrible terrorists, and Fish Legs Hut. I don't have anything. I'm sorry. And don't say, Paul, that you're wasting all your fucking runes and you wasted them on building these, even though you could wait and then get the Gronkle. Nope. You'll understand why I did this. Because after you build this guy's hut, you're gonna have to build. No, I'm not gonna. Journey mode, and then it'll give you 200. But the original max was 1,500, which means you would be wasting 500, and that's enough to feed Stormfly and Meatbug. Right now, guys, I'm just gonna end the episode here and wait for everything. I might do some offline training, but that's enough. See you guys next time.